Hi everybody, Shane here from Health Sciences North Foundation, here to announce our $10,000 winner for the first early bird prize of October. That winning ticket number is BM45607656, and our winner is Gilles. Congratulations to Gilles for your big win. Great way to kick off your month. Of course, there's still lots of prizes left to win. Still $20,000 in early bird prizes, our grand prize at the end of the month, and the add-on truck raffle also happening on October 31st. Head over to hsn5050.ca and buy your tickets before it's too late, and also, go Jays go.